Oh, hi. My guitar is in C-sharp standard tuning, so I wanted to show you some amazing chords you can play in this tuning. Keep in mind, this sounds absolutely beautiful. You want to try this tuning. So the first chord I'm going to show you is this. It's just like the E minor chord in E standard, but it's the C sharp minor chord since it's C sharp standard. This is what you're gonna do. This is how you're gonna have to play the chord. Read my guitar's lips. Anyway, moving on to the next chord. Yeah, that's the A chord, which would be the C chord if it was an E standard. This is how you do the chord. Next chord I want to show you is a chord you can move around. This is the G minor chord. This is how you do it. Like I said earlier, you can move it. Next chord. That's F sharp chord, which would be A chord if it were an E standard. This is how you get the sound. Pretty good sounding, isn't it? Moving on to a more complicated chord, which is the E minor chord, or G minor if it were an E standard. This is how you do it. It's gonna hurt your wrist as much as it hurts mine. Next chord, C sharp chord, E in E standard. You get it. You get the deal. And this is how you do it. Moving on to the next chord, which would be one that I haven't mentioned yet. The B chord, or the D chord in E standard. You get it. Okay, one more chord, and then the video will be over. F sharp minor. This is how you do it. Oh, one more chord before we go. I almost forgot this one. Oh. Okay. E chord. Oh, one more chord. Hold on, give me some time. Hey, don't rush me back there. Hey, I'm trying to teach people how to play guitar, for goodness sake. Okay, look. E major 7 chord. Yeah, you get it. You get it. It's a step and a half down. You get it. So those are just a few chords that we've went through. Now, there are many more chords that are possible to play. If you know any other chords, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I'll make a part 2. But for now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.